Sa drawing na tayo.
Meron rin ako ng ano, this one.
Nagdodrawing na ako. Kala lang.
Baraw-baraw.
Get my remote.
Oh my gosh, wait lang guys ah. Paraw! Paraw! Ay, peram. Aray. Ah! Uy, nakadrawing na siya guys.
Siya guys, hindi pa.
Uy, nakadrawing na ako, te.
Ayaw nga pala duwa ka na.
Ba't di ka?
Tignan mo yung buka kamay guys. Tignan mo yung kamay ko.
Tingnan nyo guys yung kamay ko din. Ang dumi din ng
Ang kalat na naman ng table ni Sheldon.
Nililit ko na natin.
Aray ko! Ano magkalaban, tita?
Ibang lahi ito yata.
Uy, hindi na ako magdodrawing ng tao.
Ikaw, kung anong gusto mo.
Ayaw kasi wala akong magdrawing ng ayos eh.
Starting the girl is number 1, Kanyara Tamrong. And coach for Escola is Runa Wakyao.
Si Pacquiao.
Oh my God!
Now the starters
Thailand.
for the green line, Cool Smashers. Opposite hitter from De La Salle University, number 7,
Thailand.
Michelle Tupamao.
Kayahin ko na itong body ko.
Northeastern University, number 1,
Patay, baka mamaya matalo ang cream line dyan ha.
middle blocker from the
Uy,
College
di ate dress ko drawing tao.
Hindi pwede. Kapyahin mo na lang yun, lalakihan mo lang yung ulo.
Wala ko marunong mag-drawing ng ulong ganyan. No?
Outside spiker from FAU, number 19, Bernadette Pons.
So guys,
Outside spiker from the United States, number 22, Erica Staunton. Starting the barrel from FAU, number 11, Kyla Atienza. The head coach for Green Line is Sherwin Menezes. This game is held under the supervision and regulation of the Games and Amusement Board.
Isa pa lang kasi
It is
nakakatangad.
Escola versus Green Line. This is the PBL, the heart of volleyball.
Magaling kaya yan kay ano, Thailand?
Welcome to the Santa Rosa Sports Complex in Santa Rosa City, Laguna.
Ay, layo
This
naman
is
pala.
Phil
Kaya naman
Guzman,
pala walang
together
nanood.
with my partner, Phil Cayetano.
Tama.
And later, we will be joined in by our courtside Sam Corrales.
Pero sa Laguna pala
For
din
the
ano.
first game of
Kung
this
dyan sa mo, yung
afternoon's
katulad na
doubleheader, we
nakaraan
have
mo.
the recently
Yun,
crowned
marami
Marami nanood
champions,
yan.
the Creamline Cool Smashers, going up against the newest challengers from Thailand.
Layo pala.
Escola.
Santa Rosa Laguna.
Phil,
Eh, di
good
bumiyahe pa yung
afternoon. The
green
game is
line.
about to start.
Yes.
We are here in Santa Rosa City and, with wala pang 72 hours since the last time that Creamline won their championship, sakap na kagad sa laban. That's right.
Walang pagod ang Creamline, or champions for the Reinforced Conference. Is again their day 1 for entering this invitational naman tayo ngayon versus Thailand. You know, excited ako sa game na to kasi you know that Creamline is a champion team, a veteran team versus Escola na we know is a young team na future prospects, future of Thailand volleyball. So, it's a young team of Thailand versus our veteran team. So,
ayun na ate dress.
sinong mas
Ayun na. Ayun na.
For the information of our viewers, most of the members of Escola are part of the under-20 national team that recently competed in the FIVB. Now, Michelle Bumabao,
Sayang yung big ni ano.
with an error, that error tying the game up at 1.
Well, actually, when I
Oh my God.
first stepped
Si Gigi?
or napag-hear yung Escola, matagal sila. They're a tall team for like young under-20.
Saan ka nakatext mo?
Ayoko na.
Nanood muna ako siya,
Yeah,
hindi.
we'll set this up to Erica. You've seen that before. Stanton starts off the scoring for Creamline. They now lead
Stanton.
2-1.
Tapos na ako mag-drawing. Stanton. Dalawa lang ang drawing ko.
Nanood muna ako ng volleyball.
I remember in my time, all Filipino pa rin
Ano binalik?
It's a big,
Ano na kawala ba?
big boost sa offense.
Alam magdodrawing tayo, te.
Mamaya.
Phil was
Magdodrawing
mentioning
ako,
to you guys about her time, which is not too long ago.
Uy, tandaan mo yung ano mo, ha? Yung color mo, ha?
She ended up winning the crown
Yeah.
against Streamline in 5 sets.
That was my last time with Gia Arroyo before she went to Japan. We play. So my time, parang natagal na, no?
So we have middle blocker na to one from Escola, serving.
Ito.
The
Ito
target
lang
there
ko.
targeting our 2-time MVP points.
Lagay mo lang
Dapat 7
dito.
to 1, 2,
Rolls it over the mountain side for the point.
Yes, and you know, it's surprising for me for Michelle to do that spin ball kasi you know she
Oh,
can
dito ka
power
sa-
through her side, pero that was a smart move for her na
Ito guys,
talagang
up,
spin ball
then.
and drop ball.
Tago ko lang dito.
Good serve by Michelle.
Yan. Ayun.
Dito sa box namin. Yung box namin.
Erica.
So far, kapag binibigay kay Erica Thornton yung bola,
Guys, na.
100%
Umiya na kami, mahal.
nakakapunta siya and
Saan mo nilagay ate Dreads yung color mo?
pa ng sa paano nangyari, you know, and that na
Okay.
Thailand. Hindi
So, tago natin dyan yan. Ayan.
Of course, for Greenland, they hold a 5-2 lead na turning over to San Corrales. Just report.
Pen. Lagay ko dyan.
First invitation
Color ko din.
Bernadette Fons, and she told me that she is very
Alat tubig ko pala
against the
nakalimutan.
Thailand team. Sabi ni Fons, they have a very good grassroots program. Kaya naman, even if they are young, they are able to play very well. Now for the Coast Masters, they only had a team dinner after winning the Reinforced Conference Championship a few days ago. And yesterday, they had their own individual training, one-on-court training, so they can still recover and be fresh for today. Sabi nga ng kanilang MVP, they will just focus on playing their game as a team. So let's see if Greenland can continue their momentum from their championship. Back to you, Miguel.
Ikot sa'yo, eh.
Thank you for
Sabi ko
that.
7.
Phil, Sam mentioned that Greenland
Ang sinabing 8 yung 7. Huwag natin galawin tang ano. Ay, pakita mo yung color mo.
Patingin ang color mo. Ace color.
Color. Ito yung color.
purple.
Ito yung color ni Ate Dreads. Ito yung color ko. Yeah. Ares, this is my color. This color.
Dito lang yan ah.
Isa ko lagay yung akin.
So we'll see
Ay, lagay.
this time out first from Thailand.
May lagay akin.